Welcome to the best picks. The best trampoline patch is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any trampoline owner looking to extend the life and safety of their beloved bouncing surface, ensuring countless hours of fun without the worry of minor tears or punctures turning into major problems, making it a must-have for proactive maintenance and immediate repairs. Number 5. Better Boat Repair Tape. Don't let a small tear turn into a big problem. Our heavy-duty repair tape seals rips and holes instantly, preventing further damage. It's as simple as peel, stick, and done in seconds. Get 30 feet of durable, waterproof tape on each roll. You can cut it to any size or shape needed for your repair. It bonds securely to a wide variety of materials like vinyl, canvas, and leather. Our marine-grade adhesive is designed to withstand harsh conditions like sun, salt, and storms. If it can hold up on a boat, it will provide a reliable repair for your awning, tent, or cover. This black tape blends perfectly with dark-colored fabrics, making your repair nearly invisible. It's flexible enough to conform to curves and seams without lifting or bunching. Choose from clear for any color, or white for lighter materials, to achieve the least visible repair. Each roll provides ample tape for numerous fixes. What we like? This heavy-duty tape is designed for quick and easy repairs on a variety of outdoor fabrics. Its marine-grade adhesive ensures it stays put, even in harsh conditions. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss solution to mend tears in awnings, tarps, or boat covers, this is a great choice. What people say. This trampoline patch kit is a lifesaver. It was super easy to apply and held up perfectly through a whole summer of jumping. I was skeptical at first, but this kit really works. The patches are strong and flexible, and they blended in surprisingly well with the original matte material. Great product. It saved me from having to buy a whole new trampoline mat. The repair was quick and effective, and it looks almost as good as new. Number 4. PVC Stitch Heavy-Duty Repair Kit. Introducing PVC Stitch, the heavy-duty repair kit designed for a wide range of inflatables and PVC items. It's your go-to solution for lasting repairs. Using it is incredibly easy. Simply apply the liquid sealant to the damaged area, and it dries into a permanent, strong patch. No extra materials are needed for most repairs. This sealant is built to last. It's water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand both heat and cold, making it perfect for outdoor gear. From air mattresses and hot tubs to pool liners and even PVC pipes, it effectively repairs a multitude of items. It's designed for easy field repairs on various PVC and PU materials. Get your items back in use quickly. The repair is ready in just 2 to 3 hours after application. Just ensure the area is dry and clean before you start. With a 2-year shelf life and excellent adhesion, you can rely on it for durable repairs. It's the smart choice for maintaining your inflatables and gear. What we like? This liquid PVC sealant offers a robust and permanent patch for inflatable items and PVC surfaces. It's ideal for repairing air mattresses, pools, and even bouncy houses, with a quick drying time. If you need a strong, waterproof repair for inflatables and are looking for a solution that doesn't require separate patches, this is the one. What people say. This trampoline patch kit is a lifesaver. It was super easy to apply and blended in perfectly with the trampoline mat. I was worried about it being noticeable, but you can barely tell it's there. It's held up through several jumps already and seems really durable. I was impressed with how strong the adhesive is on this patch. It stuck on firmly and hasn't budged at all, even with kids jumping on it. The patch material itself feels very sturdy and like it will last a long time. Definitely a great fix for small tears. The kit comes with everything you need, including clear instructions. The patch is a good size and flexible enough to conform to the trampoline surface. It's a much cheaper alternative to replacing the whole mat, and it looks like it will do the job effectively for a while. Number 3. PVC Stitch Liquid Patch Kit. Introducing PVC Stitch, the revolutionary liquid patch kit designed for all your inflatable repair needs. It's your go-to solution for durable, heavy-duty fixes. Simply apply this liquid PVC directly to the damaged area. It dries to form a permanent, waterproof patch, eliminating the need for separate patches. Get your gear back in action quickly. It's ready for use in just 2 hours and reaches maximum strength for high-pressure applications within 6 hours. This versatile sealant is perfect for a wide range of outdoor and water gear. It's waterproof, UV resistant, and withstands both heat and cold. Easily repair PVC and PU inflatables like boats, kayaks, air mattresses, pools, and hot tubs. It offers high adhesion and easy handling for reliable repairs. Experience greater damage resistance with this high adhesion glue. It's designed for longevity, ensuring your repairs last. What we like. This is a versatile liquid patch designed for a wide range of PVC and PU inflatables and gear. It provides a waterproof and UV-resistant seal that cures quickly, getting your items back in use fast. If you own inflatable boats, kayaks, or hot tubs and need a reliable, easy-to-apply repair that withstands the elements, consider this option. What people say. This patch kit is a lifesaver for trampoline owners. Easy to apply and holds up well against weather. The adhesive is strong and the patch material is durable. Number 2. Happin 12-inch trampoline anchors. Introducing the Happin 12-inch trampoline anchors, designed to keep your outdoor equipment firmly in place. These heavy-duty stakes offer superior stability for trampolines, tents, and more. Crafted from galvanized steel, these anchors are rust-resistant and built for long-term durability. They provide a reliable hold, even in high winds and challenging weather conditions. Setting up is a breeze with their sharpened tip. Simply twist or step them into the ground, no extra tools needed. You'll achieve a firm and secure hold in seconds on any surface. These anchors aren't just for trampolines. Use them to secure carports, swing sets, sheds, tarps, and garden decorations. They are the perfect tie-down solution for any outdoor application. We stand behind our products with exceptional customer support. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your outdoor setups are secured with Happin's commitment to quality and lasting security. What we like. These heavy-duty ground stakes offer superior holding power with their unique U-hook design, preventing slippage even in high winds. Made from galvanized steel for rust resistance, they are incredibly durable. If you need to secure trampolines, tents, carports, or any outdoor structure against strong winds and shifting, these anchors provide a reliable and easy-to-install solution. What people say. This trampoline patch kit is a lifesaver. It was super easy to apply and blended in perfectly with the trampoline mat. I was skeptical at first, but this patch kit really works. It held up through a whole summer of jumping and playing, and I haven't had any issues with it peeling or tearing. The adhesive on this patch kit is incredibly strong. It's been through rain, sun, and lots of use, and it's still holding firm. Highly recommend. Number 1. Trampoline Patch Repair Kit. Introducing our innovative repair kit, designed for a simple yet durable fix for your trampoline mat. It's suitable for any size or shape, ensuring your trampoline is ready for fun again in no time. These square patches are 4.1 foot x 4.1 and are designed to match most existing trampoline mat materials. They can effectively patch holes ranging from 0 to 3.5 inches, providing a reliable solution. With rounded corners, these patches offer enhanced safety and are much harder to peel back up. This design ensures a secure and long-lasting repair that you can trust. For optimal adhesion, an alcohol preparation pad is included. Use it to clean the area around the damage before applying the patch for the best results. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us immediately for a refund or a free replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. These trampoline mat patches are specifically designed for easy and long-lasting repairs of tears and holes. The square shape with rounded corners ensures a secure fit that's less likely to peel. If you have a trampoline mat that needs a quick, effective, and safe patch, this kit is a straightforward solution. What people say. This trampoline patch kit is a lifesaver. It was super easy to apply and blended in perfectly with the existing mat. My kids are back to jumping without any worries. I was skeptical at first, but this repair kit actually works. The patch is durable and has held up through countless jumps. It's a great way to extend the life of your trampoline. The adhesive on this patch is incredibly strong. I applied it to a small tear, and it hasn't budged since. It's a simple yet effective solution for trampoline repairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.